In this video, I will discuss the health impact of eating bread and what alternatives there are that are considered healthier options. For more information, see the description section below. If you want to support this channel and see more videos like this, like and subscribe! Bread, a common dietary staple, can often contain various forms of sugar, such as granulated, brown sugar, molasses, and honey. It comprises of gluten, which leads to the release of endorphins within our body, thereby inducing the sensation of elation and augmenting one's appetite, leading to more weight gain and craving. The addition of sugar in bread serves to enhance its flavor and create a visually appealing browning effect, which can make it more enticing. It is important to note that sugar in bread can contribute to weight gain and pose potential health concerns. One effective approach to break free from bread dependency is to take the cold turkey approach by eliminating all bread from your home. Instead of relying on traditional bread, consider incorporating the following alternatives into your meals. First, lettuce and cabbage leaves. They can be used as wraps or rolls, providing a fresh and low-carb option. Second is portobello mushrooms. When grilled or baked, they can serve as a flavorful replacement for buns and burgers or sandwiches. Grated cauliflower or broccoli can be transformed into rice-like grains and used as a nutritious base for wraps or rolls. Thinly sliced zucchini and eggplant can act as a sturdy foundation for your favorite sandwich fillings. Gluten-free wraps made from almond or coconut flour offer a healthier choice, as they are low in sugar and free from gluten.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to check out my book, The Obesity Solution. It's available on Amazon and the link is provided below. It has a lot of tips on weight loss, low-calorie recipes, weekly meal plans, and much more.